Lazy Sunscreen Guide Part 2: Water-Resistant Claims. In general, the water-resistant is an in vivo test where the subject apply a sunscreen, then get exposed to water for a small period of time, and then we can decide the SPF. In the EU, the test is done like this. For the very water-resistant label, the test subject were exposed to 4 sessions of 20 minutes, and the SPF must be more than 50% of the labeled SPF. For the water-resistant, there are 2 sessions of 20 minutes, and the SPF also have to be more than 50%. For Korean sunscreen, the same test, but the label can be in Korean for the very water-resistant this, and for the water-resistant this label. For the US-based sunscreen, the same test is conducted, but the result should be that the SPF after the water exposure stay the same as the labeled SPF. The strictest regulation when it comes to water resistance are coming from Australia. For the 120 minutes water resistance, there are 6 sessions of water exposure. For the 240 minutes water resistant label, there are 12 water exposure sessions. For the Japanese one, the taste is same as the European one, but the labels are different, and you can see them here in English and in the native language. For Canadian sunscreen, they accept both protocol from the EU and of course from the US.